Paano tumawag sa GCash online? Let's go. To contact GCash online, open mo yung Google search engine, search submit a ticket GCash at mapupunta ka dito. Tap GCash Help Center and you will be redirected here. Scroll down hanggang mahanap mo ang G-Exchange Incorporation. Sa ibaba niyan, makikita mo ang word na contact us. Tap it at mapupunta ka sa need help. Scroll down ka lang hanggang mapunta ka sa call our hotline. Note, before we call, the hotline will only be available starting from 8 sa umaga hanggang 5 sa hapon. If you call beyond that time or before 8, wala talagang sasagot sa'yo. If clear na yan sa'yo, we can start calling GCash online by going to the For All network. Then tap call via internet at mapupunta ka dito. Tap allow while visiting the site, tapos start your call. Tap keypad, then you will hear a voicemail asking you to enter your 11-digit GCash number. Once narinig mo yan, enter mo lang GCash number mo tulad ng ginawa ko. Once na-enter mo na, click this back arrow and your call will start ringing. And here is the demo.
Enter your GCash mobile number. For your protection, never click on links in SMS. Eagle sells sites to hijack messages. Remember, official GCash will never send links. Stay alert. Hi, thank you for calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. To assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready. To follow up on an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For reporting lost or stolen phone or SIM, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. For questions about your GCash card, press 5. For other inquiries, you may visit the Help Center at help.gcash.com. To hear the options again, press 6. You may visit our Help Center at help.gcash.com and search for lost phone or lost SIM. If you are following up on an existing issue, press 1. If you are calling about a new concern, press 2. If you want to return to the main menu, press 3. For your convenience, if your ticket is still within the expected resolution timeline, please check your app for updates. If you still wish to speak to an agent, stay on the line. In order to help you, we may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise, press 0 or end this call. You will now be connected to the next available customer representative. Please note that this call will be recorded for training and quality assurance purposes.
Thank you for calling GCash Support. This is Claude. How can I assist you today?
Helpful ba ang video na ito para sa inyo? And dahil dyan, you want to support my content creation journey. Kung ganoon, maglalagay ako ng link sa comment section kung saan if you click that link and subscribe, you can support my content creation journey at para mas marami pa akong magawang videos like this. Maybe you also want to know how to contact PayPal customer service rin. May tutorial din ako. Para dyan, click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo malaman paano magawa ng ticket sa GCash, may tutorial din ako. Para dyan, click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.